It has been a wild week. I have gotten sick, I have gotten better, I have been busy, I've had friends in town, and I have so much going on in my life. On Monday, I am leaving on a trip to New York. I'm going to New York for the first time ever. I've never been to New York. I have no idea what to expect, but I have to pack and I have to get ready for it, and I have to figure out outfits and kind of figuring out what we're gonna do, and my battery is gonna die. So let me go charge it and procrastinate a little bit more and get back to chatting with you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, my battery is charged again. Tomorrow I leave for New York, and it'll be my first time in New York ever. And I'm excited, I'm nervous, been packing all day. Not that it took me all day, but like just procrastinating packing, you know, the usual. And I was gonna have you guys pack with me, but I felt like I was not being productive enough to pull out a camera, and I needed to just like get to packing. But on top of that, I'm also moving, which I haven't talked to you guys about yet. On top of packing for New York, I am also packing for a move, which means I have to figure out what I need for this trip as well as what I need in the time between now and the move, because I will basically be moving shortly after I get back from New York. I am a little stressed, but I'm trying not to let things stress me out. Hayden's actually really great at helping with packing up the house, so I feel like as long as I get my stuff done, I know he'll take care of the rest, which is really sweet and awesome. I'm going to New York without him, so I'm going with my friend Macy. I leave super early tomorrow. I want to vlog as much as I can of it, but I still have a little bit of packing to do. I'm gonna go get on that. It is currently, let's see, it is currently 5:20, and my flight is at 6 tomorrow morning. I think I have to leave at 3 in the morning-ish because Hayden has to drop me off before he goes to work. So the goal is to go to bed early, and I have a lot to do before I leave for New York because, like I mentioned, I have to get some things prepped for the move, but also finish packing. So I'm gonna go do that, but I will most likely see you guys tomorrow in the airport and traveling. It is far too early to be awake for anybody, and my face proves that. I look nice and puffy, but I'm up to leave for New York. I have my bags, and let's go. Thanks to this saint for driving me so early. Okay, our first stop in New York after eating a delicious brunch is Faux Shorts, or however you pronounce it, because we are going to be going to the Jellycat Diner, and I'm so excited, so let's go check it out. I'm coming in with you. Are we gonna do the thing where we pick out one for each other? I think so. Okay. One for ourselves, we said? Yes. Okay, I'm obsessed with this teapot. Look how cute he is. There's so many cute choices here. Oh my gosh, there's literally hot dogs, pizza, and the food. How do you choose which one you want? Like, I don't even know.
Can you do an amusable?
Okay, so we made it to our hotel room. We're staying at the Life Hotel, and it's really cute in here. It's very simple. We thought we got 2 queens, but we only got 1 king, but we'll be fine. And there's this cutie little sofa over here. We already threw our stuff there, so it's kind of messy, but that's okay. And then I will show you guys the bathroom, but it'll be a nice cozy place to stay over for the next few days. Okay, and then I wanted to show you guys the bathroom. It's pretty spacious in here. I think the shower looks really nice. And then once you come over here, it's like a little vanity area, and then obviously the toilet and that. But it's been a very good first day. We just did our Jellycat exchange. Let me show you. We chose for each other's Jellycats. So here's our little Jellycat family. I got Macy the little green macaron bun because this green's her favorite color, and like, I'm sorry, how cute is he? And then she got me this little keychain because I lost my gingerbread Jellycat, and she was very thoughtful. And how cute. We have to name all these. And then this was her surprise one to me, which, how cute is her dress? I would 100% wear this outfit. So my little girl is styling. I love her. But they're tucked in right now because we're gonna be exploring a little bit more of New York tonight. So hope they behave. We made it back to the hotel, and I wanted to show you guys, we went to dinner at Wagamama's, which you saw, but we got these little treats on the street, and this was a Belgian waffle dipped in chocolate, I think, and topped with M&Ms, and then this is a cup with strawberries and chocolate and a cheesecake. This was from Messy Donuts. And then we also got this fruit, which is like the candied fruit, and it doesn't look real, and I'm so excited to try it. And I'm kind of weirded out by it too, because like, why is that happening? Yay! This mask, the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, I knew it was amazing. But after a flight, post jet lag, this is the savior, the Lord and Savior of the New York City trip. Amazing. Better than Times Square. It is day 2 of our New York adventures, and today we're gonna get one of those hop-on, hop-off buses so we can see more of New York than walking or realistically paying for a taxi. And I've only had good experiences with them. If you've watched any of my other travel vlogs, you'll see I've used them in Barcelona and Paris and London and everywhere. And Macy's outfit is so cute today. She's got her little dressed in Lala Dino dress and her little purse that I got her from Italy. And she's so cute. And I'll show you guys my outfit later. But we are going to get bagels this morning, and I'm so excited. And it's called Modern Bagels, and they're all gluten-free. Yeah, I was gonna say they're all gluten-free, but they look divine. Just wait till you guys see them. Let's go. Look at the beauty that this pastrami bagel is, or pastrami salmon. So it's salmon, arugula, pickled onion, jalapeno cream cheese on a vegan super seed bagel, and I'm so excited to eat it. And Macy got the baked feta, and that just looks unreal. And we also got potato latkes because it was necessary this morning. Oh my gosh, bagel count 2. This is a lox spread, and this is a jalapeno cheddar, and they let you do a 50-50, so like, bless them. Oh, look how cute this slice is.
Certified haircut, check.com.